Hey everyone, so I made it into Sam's Club. $16.98 vintage gift set. So you have snowball cookies, more like s'mores popcorn mix, and like fudge dip pretzels. So that is a hey, great office gift. You know. Okay, look over here, $15.98. Oh, I only see like gold. It says Mary. I'm pretty sure there's a Christmas one. Hold on, let me grab my cart real quick. Okay. 119 for the sleigh on top with the little tree. And you know the ornaments, they're 150, but I love how they spin. That trio, 164.98. Let me see. Everything is like set up for Christmas. And a lot of this we have seen. The gingerbread house is still around. $29.98. The wreath, $49.98. The garland, which is so pretty. These are $44.98. Then right up here we have Nerf Fortnite, $37. So that is a new one in the kid toy department. $180. We have Kids Explorer sofa. So it kind of has like a wedge. Maybe they could take a nap on it. Has a little stash pocket. Rainbow High House, $159. So that is a new one. And is it wooden? Because the wooden ones, they last forever. Let's see, working shower and sink. You have a soft couch, kitchen and oven. They have even a washer. The washer is going to spin. How kind of cool is that? For $22.98. Oh, it's the advent calendar.
Oh, cool.
He was looking at this. You know what? I did share this. Okay, that one looks like fun, right? That looks like fun for $22.98. $23. They're real. They kind of have like a weird rubbery texture to it. Let's see. Oh, there's a doggy. What are they called? I found a new gift basket. Okay, this one's $49.98, you guys. What are we gonna get in here? It looks like a Diva chocolate, crackers, maybe some type of mustard hummus, green olives. You have like a strudel in the back, more hot chocolate. $9.98. The season, 'tis the season tower. It looks like some hard candy in there. There's different prints to choose from. This one says Happy Holidays, has little deer. The Santa and snowman are here. I like the snowman. The Santa's beard, so funny. $25. You will get 7 gourmet treats. Some gumdrops in this one. Okay. Oh, look at that one. They're like little books stacking back and forth. That is actually really, really cool. That is really cool. I like that. I like that. The trees are out. My husband's favorite. $8.98. You get 65 pieces. Dude.
I need 100.
We just went to Trader Joe's and they don't have their Kringles out yet. And my husband's like, I need the Kringle. Half pound cups, babe. $13.48. Limited time offer. Wow, those are pretty thick. Some fat boy. Dove we've seen before. Okay, $12.98. You guys, these are like stocking stuffers. You will get 18. So you know, if you have a large family or you're making like stockings for other people, 18 for $12.98. Not bad. These are $2.33.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, not bad. Let's see. $9.98. Looks like you get 140 pieces in here. Halloween candy is not on sale yet, you would think. And the miniatures are $10.24. $8.98. We have popcorn and crunchy. So for Halloween, okay, Yeah, you're gonna get the bag. So you know how normally they're a divider, you get like a trio. So I bought the Halloween one, and it's just like the white cheddar and hot puffy Cheetos.
I don't know why they never have the orange cheddar. I hate the white cheddar. They never have the orange
Yeah, they
cheddar.
should make it a trio like the popcorn. I don't know why they're putting it in
It's
bags.
the same with the popcorn. I can never find orange cheddar popcorn anymore. It's always that white cheddar.
Really? Cheeto Paws are $3.48. So these are new, $5.98. You have chocolate crunch, twice baked cookies, over 60 cookies. Let's see, nut free, 35 calories per cookie, dairy free, soy free, low sodium. Has anybody tried this cookie here by Tate's Bake Shop? Chocolate chip cookies. They're pretty thin, but it looks like they condense quite a bit. These are $9.98. Cinnamon raisin baked clusters, $7.98 by Members Mark, made by hand with dried apples. Ooh, I can't wait to make like homemade apple pie. It just really sucks for me because nobody eats it with me, so I make like one. I found something new. Where did it go? Over here. Here we go. Okay, $11.98. We have, oh, the Holiday House, the little gingerbread kit by Oreo. It looks like you can make 4 mini homes. $10.98. We have chocolate nut crunch, dip nut clusters with almond pecan and cashews. $6.98, you guys. Holiday baking chips, maybe for your cookies, your ice cream. They're little like white chocolate. $6.98. So if you're looking for milk chocolate by Toll House, they're $8.98. Let's see.
They only have milk chocolate.
Semi-sweet, $7.82 for a 72 ounce. My husband was looking for this in Walmart. For their bags are so tiny now in Walmart. This is $7.82. How much was it in Walmart?
Almost the same, but I think the bag was a little smaller.
Yeah. So I definitely was stock up on that. I'm gonna grab one. I did want to buy this because you guys, oh my gosh, I know prices are going insane, but here you get 4, okay, $7.38. So I was in Walmart. They had Betty Crocker and what's that other brand?
Not Little Debbie. It was Betty Crocker and
That other brand with the red boxing.
Pillsbury?
No, not Pillsbury. It was somebody else. But the red box brand was Ghirardelli was cheaper, the brownie mix. The red box, I think by Betty Crocker, is that who it is? It was $4 for one bag. You get one box of chocolate chip. I mean, not chocolate chip, like a brownie mix. So I told my husband, like, you know what? I'm gonna grab it here in Sam's Club. You know?
Yeah,
I couldn't believe it was $4 for one box. Right now, corn muffin, $2.38. You do a lot of stuff with that.
that's a good sugar.
$5.68. And sugar cookies, again, you get 5 packs for $6.98. Uncle Ben's Ready Rice Jasmine is $8.98, and you will get 6. So normally I do buy this to keep on hand because my son loves rice and I don't have a rice cooker. Sometimes I buy that boil in a bag, but that is already, you know, heated up in the microwave. On the Border, 47 ounce for $4.88. Roasted green chilies by 505. You know what, this is actually pretty good, $9.83. I have leftover tri-tip, then you throw green chili on it, make a green chili burrito. And you guys know I never tried tri-tip as a roast, but it's like really good. I find it a lot better. Keto blend, $6.91. Coconut and avocado cooking oil. Oh my goodness, look at that Santa face on cornflakes. $5.58, and you will get 2 bags. I love it. I don't think my kids ever tried plain cornflakes, you guys. I think our children don't understand what it was like probably for me growing up. I think even though I did try to explain to them, it was different. My mom was big on cornflakes. We were not allowed to eat frosted anything, sugar anything, no Lucky Charms, no Fruit Loops. The only thing was like maybe Raisin Bran. So yeah, I grown to love it. I put a little bit of sugar on it. So here we had Chex, which is my favorite, $7.48. $7.58, you will get 32 packets. We have 16 strawberry banana and s'mores. Sparkling grape juice, $9.88. You have white and 2 red. And of course, the Martinelli's over here is $7.68. It's still limit 1. Right now, let's see, quilted looks like on sale for $22.48. $2 off, it looks like. You get 36 rolls. Okay, soda went up, you guys. Holy crud. $13.18 now. Wasn't it like 11? Yeah. Holy crap. Oh wow, that's unbelievable. But right now in Kroger, I think it's like 4 for $12. I just left Kroger a couple days ago because I can no longer find a root beer here. No root beer in Sam's Club or Costco. But if you want to save soda, you get 35 cans in here, or head to your local grocery store because sometimes they do have better deals. $7.98 for the Pillsbury cookie dough. Greek honey vanilla, 48 ounce, $5.98, which is really not a bad price, I think. Make yourself a bowl, put it in your oatmeal, your smoothies. So if you need a 3-pound tub, $3.72. That is actually a really good deal. Just, you know, your mini small ones in Walmart are about like $2 because I just bought sour cream, but I don't need a big tub. Let's see, Applewood bacon, $22.94. A really good deal, $4.98, $2 off on crescent rolls. That is actually a good price. And $4.68 non-alcoholic eggnog. Chicken and cheese quesadilla, or quesadilla, quesadilla, $9.98 with green hatch chili, and you do get 12. These are new. They're turkey chicken nuggets made with sweet potato seasoned blending. Very interesting, by Purdue for $7.48. So I am gonna pick up one of these for the dog. $12.08 here. We've been doing some turkey lately. And then I put some bison in here. Normally I buy him like the flat steaks here, but they gone up to like 20 bucks. So, you know, every now and then. Let's see, bison. Let's see, this one is $19.98. I do want to say, to me, you guys, Sam's Club changed how they're packaging their ground beef, because normally it is like really filled in. So $17.75. So if you're gonna spend like $3.73 a pound, Costco still mountains them, and you're paying about $18.75, I believe, in Costco. So you will get more in Costco. Let's see, beef bottom sirloin tri-tip, $6.84. Highly recommend this for a roast. Really good. And you get 2 in here, $34.47. You can make tri-tip sandwiches, make tacos, whatever left over. That's what I plan on doing. So I normally buy this beef eye round steak for the dog. They used to be 10 to 11. So yeah, they are pushing up to like 18 bucks, which I think is kind of crazy. So when I find them for like $11, I do grab them. So Gain is on sale for $14.98. This one's for Blissful Breeze. I am gonna pick up one. Moonlight is $14.98, and like original is $14.98. And Gain Fireworks, $13.98. Clorox 3-in-1, $13.86 here. You will get 82 loads. Oh my gosh. I saw a video on TikTok where a lady only put a teaspoon of detergent, and she said you could wash your whole load with a teaspoon. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. So Downy on sale, $13.98. Cozy Autumn Scent, $10.78. 211 loads. My last stop is the magazine department. Okay, I see some new items. Mind and Body. Wave goodbye to the wobble. Talking about underarms. Okay. That protein bowl looks really good. I plan on doing that for dinner. Let's see. In her studios. You know what? From the side profile, she kind of looks like Meg Ryan. I thought it was Meg Ryan. And I do wear glasses. Let's see, willow and sage on top, and then more keto stuff. Good housekeeping. Oh look, today they got Nick Jonas up in here. BTS still around, Harry is still around. Let's see, you know what, my husband was looking for ear protection because in Cabela's they have a really good brand here. The razor, okay, yeah. Is this it? I'm not sure if this one was it, but in Cabela's this was quite pricey. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video here. This is my cart. Nothing too special. Mini tacos because you know we're not eating out really, so make your own Jack in the Box tacos. I used to call it Jack in the Crack back in the day. Semi-sweet, we need those for baking. Holiday season, I did pick up the brownie mix, ground turkey. I just bought only one today for the dogs. I know I have like 1 or 2 in the freezer. Normally I buy in bulk, but lately I haven't. And I picked up the s'mores, like peppermint. My son loves peppermint, so we're gonna try that. And some Gain. And what did you get?
Oh, Cape Cod.
So what's really weird, how much? $3.48, something like that?
This one's 5.
Oh, 5?
$3.48 was the Ruffles that were like the family size.
Okay, yeah.
And in the store they're like $6.
Yeah, so some things you will buy in bulk, I'm noticing, and then some items are not worth it. Like that sour cream, that was 3 something, and a tiny one in the grocery store was like 2 something, but I don't need it that big. But some items I would buy in bulk. And I'm looking for the chips still that came in boxes. You get 50 because Cape Cod, I believe that's the brand, they had their own individual chips. But Sam's Club has condensed their chip department, like the buying in bulk, because all I'm finding is the Ruffles, hot Cheetos. They don't have regular or Doritos. They do have the mix, so I don't know. I might have to hit up a different Sam's Club. Because I said before, I don't like when everybody leaves the bag open. Is it a waste? A waste. Alright you guys, please stay safe out there. Thank you all so much for joining me on these store walkthroughs. I do thank you. And I hope all of you guys who did my Halloween card, I hope you guys all got them. And yeah, because only like 3 or 4 people let me know they received it. I know my friends that are like in Australia, I think that might take a while to get. But other than that, I hope all of you received your card. You should have received your card box of goodies by now. And thank you for the ones for letting me know that you received it, because I was worried about it. Alright you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.